was good today. YouTube was good. Let me see. Let me let y'all catch this view, this little nature view outside. So the grass looked like it got a lot of rocks. We got a little it's a little block of nature. They ain't shut down when they was developing these apartments. It's nice to see. But back to the meat of the video. As you know, I'm always trying to be short with the videos, but some concepts are a little harder to explain than others. But I'm gonna just get straight to it. Today, I've been looking at the market as I mean, I don't know if you've been watching this whole journey, but last Friday, the position I went into was coin puts. I bought them around lunchtime after, Coinbase had a monster run for the morning time. So I was glad I didn't get into the puts until lunch. But yeah, so everybody's looking for calls. Me, I'm going opposite. I'm looking for puts. And I'm trying to do no more than being in a trade, really like 15, 20 minutes. But if it don't go my direction, and I'm using a cash account now, don't have that many, it's like I have unlimited day trades, but I don't have unlimited resources. So due to the fact that I only have a certain amount of money on there, it's like once I use it for one trade, it's done. So I really got to make my mind up and really be like firm, like this is the position I want to take. So with that being said, Friday, I had bought Coinbase puts for ending this week, with this Friday being the 13th, last Friday being the 6th of December. As you can see right here, I bought a coin put for $900 and sold it for $13.84. Bought another one for $13.60, sold it for $15.83. I sold it because I was up like, I don't know, 30, 40%. And I was just like, Monday, I was doing the simulate returns feature on Robinhood, which if any of you guys getting into options, it's a very powerful tool that was not always there. Simulate my returns. You can look at your option. It can tell you exactly what your option will be worth depending on the price and time of the day, which is very powerful because you can use that feature to let yourself know, well, hey, on Monday, if it's $3.35, how much is my contract going to be worth? If the price is at $3.45, how much is my contract going to be worth? When I used that simulator, it pretty much showed me that on Monday, even though the price is down around $8 right now in the pre-market, which is I think around $5 in the pre-market. $5, $6, $5 to $8, whatever it is. It's down in the pre-market right now, like 2-3%. And that really was something that I was expecting from last week, because Bitcoin, in my eyes, has shot up a lot already. And there's a lot of people who thinking 200,000 before Christmas. I just want you to really understand how much money that is. The Bitcoin market cap right now is at $2 trillion. $2 trillion. So at $2 trillion, we have effectively $100,000 Bitcoin. So that means to see a $200,000 Bitcoin, we need a $4 trillion Bitcoin market. Not saying that this is impossible, but we just had to understand the magnitude of influx that has to go into the market cap for that price to happen. For that to happen, we're talking about a similar influx to the whole stimulus package from Trump in the first round. He did like what, $1.8 trillion or $1.5 trillion or something. So like pretty much the equivalent of every American putting $1,500 or something, like how we all got stimulus, the equivalent of that, but for Bitcoin to do the numbers that some people predicting before even the end of the year or like by next summer. And it's like, I just feel like that's like not realistic, dog. I ain't gonna lie, but maybe it is. Maybe it is realistic. We know that there's institutional investing, but me personally, I just don't see it like that. And the reason I bring up Bitcoin is because I see Coinbase and Bitcoin in tandem. So it's like I don't see Coinbase really shooting too much higher without Bitcoin shooting up much higher. and I don't see Bitcoin shooting up much higher. I feel like Bitcoin is honestly setting the pace of the markets more now than before. So that's just my 2 Satoshis, my 2 cents, however you want to look at it. But yeah, man, Dr. Kemp 007, Metaverse President, signing out. Lux Fam CEO, we're going to show y'all what we get into today. I mean, honestly, I'm trying to quick fire upload these videos, so I'm really not screen recording nothing. But eventually, when I sit down and move, I'm in the process of moving right now too. So even just the thought of sitting down at the computer and editing a video, adding overlays and stuff, it's just like I don't really want to do it. But I want to like put out there what I'm doing. So here we are. You feel me? Once again, if you need help with setting up your Robinhood, hit me up. I'm actually going to leave a Robinhood referral link in the bio too. So if you want to just click the link and do it on your own, that's cool. But if you want to set a meeting up with the kid and we do it virtually together, I mean, this shouldn't take more than 20 and 30 minutes. 20, 30 minutes out of my day that I'm giving to you for free as a subscriber. Gotta be subscribed though. We ain't doing no one-on-ones with nobody who can't even subscribe and like a video. I feel like that's just right. Even this snail would say that, right? Even you would say that it's not right for them to want stock services and not do a subscribe or like, right? Exactly. So I'm going to continue my housing search today. Hopefully I will trade for, I don't know, hopefully less than 30 minutes, but I will continue my home search in the Augusta area today, and that's what we got. Y'all boys, just work with me, dog. I ain't gonna lie, anybody should be able to see the potential, but you feel me? I'm trying to tap into the potential myself. I might not even see it as much as somebody else might. But yeah, man, y'all boys, be easy. I know I've been blabbing for a minute, but hey, if you still here, there's a whole extra 50 seconds of watch time. And I'm trying to get it, you dig?